Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to install geexbox Home Media Center on your Windows XP machine. This also is the exact same for Windows 98 through Windows Vista and Windows 7. It's the same process. The first thing you're gonna want to do is go to Google. And type in geexbox. Go to their page. It's the very first one. Scroll over to the right and download right here stable 1.24, and it should bring up a box in a second. And here's your box. Go ahead and click OK. I'm not gonna go ahead and download it because I already have it. And then after you do that, come over to here to the downloads and hit download geexbox. This is for the Win32 installer that you will need to use to install geexbox. So you can do a dual boot meaning that you're going to boot Windows and geexbox so you don't lose any of your files. Go ahead and click on the geexbox Win32 installer, save the file. Now what you want to do is, remove all of your files, the geexbox ISO and the geexbox Win32 installer to your desktop. Open up the installer, run the installer, hit next, I agree, next. Alright, right here there are two options. One is to install to Windows boot partition. That means that you're going to install it to your Windows partition, and that when you boot up your computer, you'll have two options, boot Windows or boot geexbox. That way you don't lose any of your data. And then there's another one to install to a USB flash drive, which I will cover in a later video. So go ahead and click next, and then what you want to do is browse. And this is why I said put all of the geexbox files on the desktop. So you can just click on this, click open, click process, and it'll process your ISO, make sure everything's good to go, and then you'll have to wait a minute, and then the next thing will come up, and then I've already installed geexbox, but what you want to do is just leave it like this, don't click any of these, and then click install. Now we are reinstalling geexbox on my computer. Alright, so it is completely installed. That's how you do it, and when you boot up, it'll bring up the Grub bootloader, and you'll be able to choose between Windows and geexbox. Thank you, and have a nice day, and please rate my video.